Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today in this session we are going to install one new editor for C programming language. It is known as Dev C++. So we'll see how to install this Dev C++ software. To install, let us go to the Google Chrome and we'll type here Dev C++ download for Windows. Once you enter, whatever the link you are getting on the first line, you just click on that. There are multiple sites, but go for this one. Now here, click on this download button. The moment you will click on the download button, the download will start automatically. It's asking for the location where you want to download it. Okay, click on save. So it starts downloading the software. It takes a few minutes for downloading the software. Once it has been downloaded, select the folder, for example this, and just go to the download folder and double click on this setup exe file. Then it will be prompt for asking for the permissions. Click on yes. It's unzipping the exe file. This editor is quite interesting and quite attractive compared with the Turbo C++ editor. Click on yes, the language I have selected, then click on I agree, then remain it as default. It's asking for the location where you want to store this software. Click on install and it started the installation process. It will take a few minutes for installing it. Let us wait for that. Few more minutes. Yes, finish. Click on finish. It will launch the Dev C++ editor. Now see, this is what the color combination that we are going to get. Click on next. Next. Okay. That's it. So simple installation, and this is what the editor that we are going to do the programs now here, right? So how to do that? Go to the file, new, then select source file, or else you can directly type press Ctrl plus N button as well. Okay, so I'm improving this font size here, just pressing by Ctrl and moving the cursor ahead. And suppose let us do some basic program. stdio.h, we know that, and then here we are taking a main function. The beauty is what it is, directly once you enter the a single open bracket, it automatically take the other one. For example, if I'm entering the left cursor, opening cursor, it's automatically take the closing cursor as well. And then suppose if I want to printf, you can see the color combination. Hello from new editor. That's it. Now to save this program, go to file again, or you can take a shortcut as a Ctrl S button. Ctrl S. Now see, observe carefully here. Here from save as a type, you have to select the C file, because we are running what? We are going to perform a C program. If you want to perform a C++ program, then select the next source file. So I am clicking here on a C source file, and I am giving a name, for example, demo. It's my program name, and I'll select a location. You can select any of the location from your system. Suppose programs. Yes, I want to save the programs here. Click on save. Now my program has been saved by the name demo. See, demo.c. Now to compile the program, here we are having this button in the menu bar. Observe, shortcut is F9. If I click on this, it will compile the program and all the log will be appear here at the bottom of this particular editor. Okay, so no errors, no warnings, everything is fine. And if I want to come execute this one, now here just beside of this button where I am having compile and run button, shortcut button is F11, right? Instead of compiling this button, you can directly go for this compile and run button as well. Click on this, then it will produce an output. See, it is giving a clear output, right? And this is what the execution time given by the compiler. Now you might have observed in this editor I have not used in CLR, SCR and getch. So this is what the beauty of this dev C++ editor. It is inbuiltly having some features like CLR, SCR, getch, right? Automatically these features has been incorporated in this particular editor. So that's why, and by attractive wise also, see the color combination. This is in green, then blue, then some keywords are appearing in a bold black. Okay, so this is what a comfortable editor file working on dev C++. So I hope you have got how to install these dev C++ editor. Now from next video onwards I am going to perform all the programs by using this dev C++ editor only. So keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.